Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the India's position and extent. First one, we will discuss about where is located India in our world map. So one by one we will discuss. First one we will discuss location of India and what is the extent of India. And third one, which are the frontiers of India. And fourth one point is neighboring countries. Which are the neighboring countries of India. And fifth one point is administrative divisions. Which are the administrative divisions of India. Here, first one we will see here location. Where is located our India in the world? So listen here. This is the world globe. Here this is the equatorial line. Equatorial line. Equatorial line. 0 degree. So this is a Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer line. And this line is Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn. Capricorn. So this is on the South Pole. South Pole. And this one is a North Pole. Our India is located in between of the northern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. Our India is located in the globe northern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. North east. Northern and eastern hemisphere. So that's why we will call our India is located here in our globe, northern and eastern hemisphere. And here our India is located in between of the latitudinal and longitudinal extent. Which are the latitudinal and longitudinal extent means here? Our India is located in between of the north latitude. In between of the north latitude, 8 degree point 4 minute. 8 degree point 4 minute to 37 degree point 6 minute north latitude. From in the longitudinal extent from 68 degree point 7 minute to 97 degree point 25 minute east longitude. In between of the longitudinal and latitudinal extent of our India in the globe. In the globe. Okay. And next one here. Extent. What is the extent? What is the extent? Extent means here our India is the seventh largest country in the world. Seventh largest country in the world in the area wise. In the area wise, after the Russia, Canada, China, the USA, Brazil, and Australia. Seventh largest country in the world is India. And next one here, our India, it gets the seventh largest country in the world. And also here, west and east. What is the breadth of west and east? What is the breadth of west and east means? Breadth. What is the breadth of India means? 2,933 kilometer. 2,933 kilometers. And next one from north to south. North to south. North to south. North to south, what is the length of India? Means 3,214 kilometers. 3,214 kilometers. So this is the length of India. Kashmir to Kanyakumari, Rajasthan or Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. This is the width of India, 2,933 kilometer, and the length of India, Kashmir to Kanyakumari, in kilometer wise, 3,214 kilometers. And also, Tropic of Cancer line, it will be passes through the middle of India. Tropic of Cancer. This is the Tropic of Cancer line. Tropic of Cancer line. Tropic of Cancer line. It will be 33.5 degree. It will be passes through the middle of India. And also 82.5 east latitude. 82.5 east latitude we will consider. This is the Indian Standard Time, and also we will called as 82.5 east latitude the Indian Meridian Time. Another name is IST. IST means Indian Standard Time. IST. Indian Standard Time. Okay. 82.5 degree east latitude and Tropic of Cancer 23.5 north latitude. It will be passes through the India. This is the center meridian time of India. It will be passes through the Allahabad. 82.5 east latitude. It will be passes through the Allahabad. Okay. And next one, I will say to you, our India, it will be across the land area. Third one point, frontiers. What is the meaning of frontiers? Frontiers means here boundary lines or borders. Boundary lines and borders. Our India, it has both of frontiers. It means land frontiers and also water frontiers. Not only land frontiers and not only water frontiers. Here, our India across the land frontiers here to here. How many kilometers it will be? It had a land frontiers means 15,200 kilometers. 15,200 kilometers. It had a land frontier including natural frontiers. Including natural frontiers means here, for example, Himalayan ranges, plateaus, so many mountains. So these are all including the land frontiers. So total land frontiers area is 15,200 kilometers, including natural frontiers. For example, Himalayan ranges, plateaus, mountains. These are all called as natural frontiers. And also, land frontiers also okay. What is the next one? Water frontiers. Our India, it will be covered 3-part water area. So that's why we will call our India is a peninsular country. So here, west side is the Arabian Ocean, south side is the Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea and Indian Ocean, and east side is the Bay of Bengal. So these three parts it will be covered by the water area. So that's why it will be called as a peninsular country. India is a peninsular country. And next one here, our water front tag it will be acquire the total area of water front tag means 6,100 kilometer. 6,100 kilometer. Here to here. Here to here. 6,100 kilometer, including Lakshadweep, and Andaman and Nicobar, A and N. I mentioned here only short form A and N, Andaman and Nicobar, including Andaman and Nicobar, water front has 7,514.16 kilometer. 16 kilometer. 16 kilometer. And also the total area of India is 32,87,263 square kilometer. This is the total area of India. The total area of India is 32,87,263 square kilometer. The total area of India, and land frontiers total area is 15,200 kilometer. Water area frontiers the total area is 6,100 kilometer, including Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar 7,514.16 kilometer. This is the area of India. And next one here, neighboring countries. Next one, neighboring countries. Which are the neighboring countries? Our India, it has 9 neighboring countries. 9 neighboring countries. How? See here, 9 neighboring countries we have our India. First one, Afghanistan. It will be come here. Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, Myanmar, Bangladesh, China, Sri Lanka, and Maldives. 9 countries. Or India, it will be says there are boundaries only 7 countries. Only 7 countries. Afghanistan, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Burma, Maldives, Myanmar, and China. It has only 7 neighboring countries, and also it shares with the 2 islands their water frontiers. And next one, Afghanistan and Pakistan, it will be placed by the India as a northwest. Northwest side is Afghanistan and Pakistan. Northeast side is Nepal, China, Myanmar, and southwest side is Bangladesh, Maldives, and next one, south side is Sri Lanka. South side is Sri Lanka. So these are the neighboring countries, and also I will give to you another one more information, most important information. A least boundary says with our India. Which country? A least boundary says with our country means Afghanistan. It has only 80 kilometer. And next one, Lord's boundary says with our India, it means Bangladesh. 4093 kilometers. 4093 kilometers. It will be says their boundaries along with the India. And last one point is here Andaman administrative divisions. Administrative divisions. Which are the administrative divisions? See here. Our India, it has a total 29 states and 6 Union territories. Before